Hi guys, I'm Joreen and welcome back to Sodwana Bay. Join us as we take a look at our beautifully magnificent coral reef ecosystem. Our world is a blue planet, covered in vast oceans, and hidden beneath the ocean waters are important coral reef ecosystems that are teeming with life. Coral reefs, together with the ocean plants, provide the ocean with oxygen and contributes to more than 50% of the global oxygen in the atmosphere that we depend on. It also absorbs nearly 30% of all man-made carbon dioxide. Healthy corals are the foundation of our ocean's food chain. From tiny plankton to the largest sea animals, coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of the vast amounts of species they harbor and the high productivity they yield. Aside from many species of coral, they support an extraordinary biodiversity and are home to a multitude of different types of fish, invertebrates, and sea mammals. Covering less than 1% of the ocean's floors, reefs support an estimate 25% of all marine life, with over 4,000 species of fish alone. Reefs provide spawning, nursery, refuge, and feeding habitats for many organisms including sponges, jellyfish, corals, worms, crustaceans, mollusks, octopus, starfish, and turtles. Join us next time as we explore more of our beautiful Sodwana Bay. Subscribe and like for more videos.